Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Organic gardening practices to complement your seasonal garden decor. Natural crafted woodworking furniture embodies the timeless beauty and intricate artistry of wood. This craft combines traditional techniques with a deep respect for the natural qualities of wood, creating pieces that are not only functional but also works of art. Every piece begins with selecting the right type of wood, considering its grain, texture, and color. Skilled artisans work meticulously, emphasizing the natural imperfections and unique characteristics that make each item one of a kind. In a world increasingly dominated by mass-produced furniture, handcrafted wood pieces stand out for their authenticity and connection to nature. The process celebrates the innate beauty of wood, transforming raw timber into elegant, durable, and meaningful furniture. This approach not only preserves traditional craftsmanship but also promotes sustainability, making each piece a sustainable work of art rooted in nature's own palette. The foundation of natural woodworking furniture lies in the careful selection of wood. Artisans often choose hardwoods like oak, walnut, cherry, or maple, which possess rich grain patterns and high durability. The beauty of wood art is evident in how the natural variations, such as knots, swirls, and color shifts, are embraced rather than concealed. Each piece of wood tells a story, reflecting its environment and growth history. Craftsmen examine the grain orientation and texture to enhance the final design, ensuring the natural aesthetics shine through. This meticulous selection process underscores the philosophy that furniture should celebrate nature's imperfections and unique features. The rich textures and vibrant hues of well-chosen wood elevate the visual appeal, transforming simple furniture into stunning artistic creations that resonate with warmth, character, and authenticity. Creating natural wood furniture requires a mastery of traditional craftsmanship and modern tools. Artisans often employ techniques such as hand carving, joinery, and finishing that highlight the wood's natural beauty. The process involves sanding to reveal the grain, inlay work to add intricate details, and carving to create decorative patterns. These techniques demand patience, precision, and a deep understanding of the material. Many craftsmen prefer hand tools to preserve the organic feel and authenticity of the wood, ensuring each piece reflects their skill and artistry. The focus is on enhancing the natural contours and textures rather than masking them. This meticulous craftsmanship results in furniture that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally sound, durable, and designed to age gracefully. It's a labor of love that transforms raw wood into a harmonious blend of art and function. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.